Hey, welcome to my channel and thank you guys for watching. And here we are with another video, and this one is about getting my rubbery and hard slime back to slippery and playful. So here I have this slime that I had for a couple weeks now, and it's kind of getting rubbery a little, too much activator I guess, but I'm about to make it slimy and sticky like I like my slime to be. So here we go. Now, as you can see, my fingers, I have to be forcing my fingers into my dough right now. It is not that easy. It is still fun because I know people like slime with this texture, but not me. I like my slime sticky and slimy. So right here, what I'm about to do is I'm going to add Colgate toothpaste to my slime. I love using Colgate toothpaste. It is perfect. I use other toothpaste too, and it gives me the same thing, but I don't know. I'm just obsessed with Colgate, and that's the only toothpaste I really use in my house. So yes, so it will do the job, people. So choose any scent, any one you'd like to use. I'm using right now peppermint, and it has baking soda in it as well. So yes, I'm about to use that. So all you gotta do is knead it into your slime. Knead it, add a good amount to it, and just knead away. Make sure you get it all in and don't stop kneading until you see it blend into your slime real good. And be advised that whatever toothpaste you use to your slime, it might change the color of your slime. Like this one is changing my slime right now. It will change it to a different color. It was pink, now it will turn to purple because I'm using a green peppermint toothpaste. And as you can see, my slime is already changing. While I'm kneading, it is already feeling totally different. The texture is slippery, slimy, and wet, which is the way I like it. I'm able to put my fingers in my slime way easier now.
You just walk right out the door. Don't wanna do this anymore. Now I'm lost without you.
I just love me some squishy slime. It's right where I want it to. Yes. So just continue to knead it in until you get the desired texture, until the toothpaste is not really seen on your slime or in your slime. That's when you can stop. You can see I can stretch it. Look, it's already where I want it to go in just a couple of minutes. So toothpaste to make your slime back to normal, rejuvenated and activated, is perfectly good. Yes, look at that. Just the way I like it. Bubbly, soft, squishy, stretchy. Yes. That's it. Guys, check out my other videos. Go ahead and like and subscribe to my page so you can get notified when I add another video. Please and thank you. I really appreciate it. Now have a wonderful day and slime on. See you in the next video.